Hey guys, wanted to do a really quick how-to on how to use a band clamp. This here is a PowerTech band clamp that I will be using on a frame that I'm putting together for my wife.
As far as gluing the frame, really you just want to kind of follow the basics of wood glue. You want to make sure that all of the sides you're wanting to actually stick together get a good amount of glue, and you want to make sure that everything lines up well in order for you to be able to clamp it. After you've applied glue, you're ready to go ahead and start using the clamp. So at this point, you can go ahead and take the handle, the very first piece of the clamp, and you can actually move one of the wings up to tighten the strap so that one of the straps is actually locked in place. And then at this point, you start to move all of the different corners of the clamp to the different corners of your frame or whatever woodworking project that you're working on. Once you actually get those all applied, then you pull the strap as tight as you can, and then you pull the other wing in order to kind of lock in that strap into the position that it's in. And then in order to actually get it tighter on this particular band clamp, you screw the handle. What that does is that adds tension to the clamp. And so you continue to do that until you feel like you have a really good amount of tension in the clamp. And then you want to go ahead and check all of your corners to make sure that they're still aligned, make sure that there's a little bit of glue squeezing out, and tighten it up just a little bit more if needed. As far as taking off the clamp, there's really nothing special here. It's just do whatever you need to do in order to release the tension. So on mine, it's actually releasing the wings and unscrewing the handle in order to be able to get the clamp to actually come off. And with storing the clamp, it's really whatever works best for you. For me, what I do is I take all of the different corners of the clamp and push them all together, and then I take the strap and I wind that all together. After you have everything rolled up, you should be good to go. You could even apply a rubber band if you'd like for storage.